Welcome back, everybody. Today is October 26, 2021, and in this video, we're going to be talking about Cosmos again. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about where Cosmos is in the market, as well as where I think it might be going in the short to near future. Before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are unaware, when you subscribe to my channel, you're actually entering a giveaway where I'm giving away a 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. And I'm also giving away an MSI 2060 GPU from my mining farm to another lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's quickly jump on into Adam's chart and see what we can see. We're going to start off on the 4-hour time frame like we always do, and as always, we are using Market Cipher as our primary oscillator and indicator tool. Right now, the current price for Atom is $38.99. We've been going in and out of $39 over the past couple of minutes. I do suspect, whoop, look at that, we did it again. I do suspect that we are going to be capturing $39 throughout the course of the day and staying there for the current moment, but more on that here in a little bit. Let's go ahead and jump on into the charts and figure out where we currently are and where we might be going by the technicals on the charts using Market Cipher. Now, the first thing I want to point out to you guys is, again, Market Cipher B, which is the lower section of the charts. As you guys can see, the RSIs, which are a lagging indicator, are now clearly pointing back up. I told you guys that I thought it would do something like this when we were going through the motions here on the charts, and lo and behold, we did something very, very similar and created a W pattern with the RSIs. Now, always remember, the RSIs are a little bit lagging, so do with that what you will, but we did create a W pattern with the RSIs, and you guys know, on the charts, a W pattern, no matter where you're looking at it, whether it be the momentum waves, whether it be with the RSIs, or whether it be with candles, is a very bullish pattern. Basically, what a W pattern is, it's just a double bottom pattern, and that's a super bullish sign for whatever asset you're looking at. Right now, we formed that with the RSIs, and it does look like they will be pitching together over the course of the day. Don't front run that because, like I said, they are lagging, but it does kind of look like that. As you guys can see, this bottom RSI does look like it's leaning into the red RSI, and I do think with time it's going to pinch together. And you guys know what I've said previously in my videos. When the RSIs pinch together, that's a really strong sign. Now, another thing I want to take a look at on Market Cipher B is obviously the momentum waves to the upside. This is usually a good indicator of whether you're oversold or not when you cross over this 60 line with Market Cipher B. The 60 line is located in 2 different places, on the top side of the chart and then also on the bottom side of the chart, obviously showing the difference between the two, the bottom being when you're oversold and the top being when you're overbought. Right now, we are crossing over into that overbought territory, but the signals that we're seeing on Market Cipher B are showing us that we still have room to go. So even though we are crossing over the 60 line, it does look like I said, the RSIs are clearly pointing back up. There's no signal right now of them rounding back down or maybe taking a breather and going sideways just yet. Don't front run me on that because, again, they are a little bit lagging behind and that could happen at any given moment. But right now, the signals on Market Cipher B are showing me that we still have a lot more room to run. It could look like something like this, guys, where we breach up over the 60 line and then we stay above it for some time. This happened over the course of a day. So we could stay above the 60 line for about 24 to 48 hours, given the momentum that we do have on Market Cipher B. Now, another thing I want to show you guys on Market Cipher B is obviously we've stayed in the green as far as money flow goes. I've told you guys this on my past videos. There's 2 different ways to track money flow on Market Cipher B. You can use the momentum waves within Market Cipher B, or you can simply use the bar down here, which shows positive money flow being the green and obviously negative money flow being the red. Right now, we are still in the green as far as money flow goes, so we do have momentum. Obviously, on the momentum waves right here representing money flow, we crossed over from red to green when we had this curvature right here. We made the crossover here in the transition into the green, and we are still within the green on the money flow. So again, everything on Market Cipher B is showing me that we do have momentum on our side. Now, if we get out of Market Cipher B, you can see the traditional patterns that I have charted here for Market Cipher A, which is the top section of the charts. We were in this triangle pattern here. We broke above it. Like I told you guys in my last video, I did think that we were going to be breaking above resistance. And matter of fact, we did just what I said we were going to do. We broke above it. We used it as a springboard of support. Once we came back down here briefly, retested the 50 line, and basically this top level of resistance flipped it into support, and now boom, we've broken through another level of resistance. Now the big question is are we gonna flip, are we gonna flip this top level of resistance on this new wedge pattern to the upside? Now this is an ascending triangle pattern, so do with that what you will, but right now we are breaking our resistance level on that ascending wedge pattern. And the question is are we going to flip this resistance into support and see higher price points in the later part of this week? Only time will tell. Don't front run that. It's just what I'm seeing. I do suspect with every pump there's going to be a dump, because that's the norm, right? And we will probably come back into this wedge pattern and maybe thread it like we did on the high side back here, guys. We'll probably do the same thing and thread it for some time and make our move to the upside very slowly throughout the week. That's what I'm seeing on the charts. I hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys have been following my Cosmos updates that I've been giving you guys each and every day. If you have, you guys would be in massive profits. If you have not, please hit that notification bell, hit the subscribe button, follow the channel, guys, because you guys will be getting in on some really good positions if you guys were following my calls. With that being said, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are blessed. I hope you guys are in profits. Remember to realize profits when you guys get them, because they can be taken from you very quickly. With that being said, peace.